Welcome back. In this video, you learn how to make the external LED connected to digital pin 11 to fade in and out. This is a great opportunity to showcase the power of PWM, Pulse Width Modulation. With PWM, the Arduino Uno can simulate the effect of real analog output signals on devices like the LED and motors. In the case of this LED, the PWM analog output signal from the Arduino allow us to control its brightness. If we were to replace the LED with a motor, we would use PWM to control the motor speed. There's no need to make any changes to your circuit on the breadboard if you are following from our previous video in this series, the LED blink tutorial. We'll use the same setup: an LED, a 220 ohm resistor to protect the LED, and digital pin 11 on your Arduino Uno. If you're just joining us, I invite you to check out our LED blink video to catch up on how to set up this circuit. Now, before we dive into coding, let's talk briefly about PWM. PWM allow us to simulate an analog output using digital pins. By rapidly switching the pin on and off and varying the duration of the on time, we can control the brightness of our LED. Open your Arduino IDE and start programming. The Arduino sketch we are about to write creates an fading effect on an LED that's connected to digital pin 11 using PWM. In this code, we use a for loop to increase the PWM value to fade the LED in gradually and then decrease the value to fade it out. The analog write function is what controls the LED's brightness. This line declares an integer variable named LED pin and initializes it with the value 11. This variable represents the digital pin number to which the LED is connected. The comment indicates that pin 11 supports PWM, which is essential for controlling the LED's brightness. The setup function is called once when the Arduino is powered on or reset. The pin mode function is called inside the setup function with two arguments, LED pin and output. This configures the digital pin 11 as an output pin to control the LED. The loop function contains the code that will be executed repeatedly, creating the continuous fade in and fade out effects. This for loop is used to increase the brightness of the LED gradually. The variable brightness is initialized to 0 and incremented in each iteration of the loop until it reaches the value 255, representing the maximum brightness level in PWM. Still within the loop, the analog write function is called with two arguments, LED pin and brightness. This function outputs a PWM signal on pin 11 with the duty cycle determined by the brightness value. A higher brightness value means a longer on time in the PWM cycle, resulting in a brighter LED. After setting the brightness level, the delay function pauses the program for 15 milliseconds. This short pause allows the human eye to perceive the change in brightness, creating a smooth fading effect. This for loop is similar to the first one, but in reverse. It starts with the brightness at 255, which is fully bright, and decreases it in each iteration until it reaches 0, which is fully off, creating a fade out effect. The same analog write and delay functions are then used within this loop to gradually decrease the LED's brightness and pause briefly between each change in brightness level, ensuring the fade out effect is smooth. Okay. Now go ahead and upload your code to the Arduino and watch the LED. You'll see it smoothly transitioning from off to fully lit, then back to off. This effect is visually appealing and practical for various projects needing a nuanced control over light or other outputs. The possibilities with PWM are endless, and we're just scratching the surface here. If you enjoyed this tutorial and learned something new, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Your engagement fuels our passion for sharing and teaching. Stay tuned for more exciting projects, and as always, happy making.